welcome back to Sophie's Playdate. It's Mommy here, and today I have a special surprise for Sophie. I just found Season 2 of the Hatchimal Collectibles. This is the new collectible with 100 Hatchimal to collect. Wow, that's a lot. And look here, friends. We have a golden Hatchimal. Will we find it? I don't know, we'll have to see. Oh look, here's our first Hatchimal. It looks like a caterpillar with wings. Wow, how cute. And we have the 4-pack plus bonus. Let's take a look at the back. Wow, that's a lot of Hatchimals. Look at these cute little Hatchimals from the garden family and the farm family. Crystal Canyon, Savannah. Wow, we can't wait to open this. And I have also got the 2-pack. The 2-pack comes with a nest that the 4-pack doesn't. So I wanted to get that for Sophie. And look at these cute Hatchimals. Here we have the desert Hatchimals, the jungle Hatchimals, and the river Hatchimals. Oh my god, how cute are these little fishies? Alright, I'm gonna put them in a nest so Sophie can find the little eggs. So I'm gonna open this first. Here is our nest. This pink nest is the same as Season 1's nest. Okay. On the bottom, here's our checklist. Wow, it's 1/4 of a checklist. So I guess we have to find the rest of this. Look at that. And here it is, our checklist. Look at all those Hatchimals. First, here we have the forest family, the farm family, the jungle family, the garden family, the river family, savannah, desert, ocean, and our limited edition magical meadow. Wow. And also don't forget our special edition No Flake Shire and Crystal Canyon. Wow, those are pretty cute. And golden Hatchimal. Find the golden Hatchimal. I wonder what it is. Okay, let's take these eggs out. Ooh, these eggs are pink. Very cute. So here is our little Hatchimal that was already in our box, and her name is Butterpuff. She is from the garden family. Very cute. Wow, Sophie's gonna love this one because it's pink and purple, her two favorite color. Okay, we'll put that in there too. Okay, I'm gonna go hide this and call Sophie over. Alright friends, I hid all the eggs in this nest right here. Okay, I'm gonna call Alyssa and Sophie now. Alyssa, Sophie, I have a surprise for you.
Okay, we're coming. Okay, coming. Wonder what surprise.
Wonder what this is? Sophie, I hid something in the nest for you. Can you look for them?
Okay.
Okay, start digging.
Ooh, egg. Are these Hatchimals? Oh dear, Hatchimals?
Are they? They look like collectibles, but these are Season 2, guys! Is there more?
Oh, there's a nest.
What'd you find?
Yes.
Oh,
Caterpillar, I think.
isn't that cute? Is there more? How many eggs do you guys have?
I have 3. Wait, Sophie, I think you're missing a nest. Because I found one.
There might be extra nests in there. Mommy put extra nests from Season 1 in there. You got a nest, yay! So how many do you have, Alyssa?
3.
3, and so how many do you have, Sophie?
6.
Yeah, 4. 4. Good job. Yeah. You put out the right fingers but said 6. Okay, you have 4. That's correct. Because we had a 4-pack and a 2-pack. The 4-pack had a bonus, so that was 5. Okay, are you ready to hatch these? So exciting! Okay, let's go. All together.
I can open this.
You can't rub it. Uh-oh, we drop our egg. Hope it doesn't crack. Oh no.
Mine's pink. Mine is
Oh.
purple and pink. Okay, I can't crush it. And
Ooh.
poof.
Mine's pink. It's getting pink. I'm gonna crush halfway for Sophie.
I think I got some type of... I got a little donkey.
This is Alyssa's Hatchimal, and it is a donkey moo. That is a funny name.
Donkey?
Donkey moo.
Is it donkey cow or something?
I don't know. I don't know if I'm saying the name right, but that's what it is. Yeah, but look how cute this little thing. It's all blue. Look at the tail. Hey, reminds me of Eeyore.
Oh, yeah.
But that's cute, buddy. And Sophie, oh, yours is cute. What color was your egg? A green egg, right? So it's in the forest.
It's,
Let's find the name. It's Foxfin. I want to show Alyssa and Sophie this. Look what happened to our list.
What?
Yes,
Do you have to find the rest of it?
I think so. It's like a puzzle. If you want to find the complete set, I guess you have to open more to find out. But the back, of course, is the complete set of 100.
That's odd.
So check this out, friends. Mommy put the checklist of the ones I got from the 4-pack and the 2-pack, and I put them together, and look what it says. It says Hatchtopia. Hatch a whole world. So we have 2 pieces. We're still missing these 2 pieces, but look at this. These are cool special edition hangouts. We have 1 Cloud Cove, 2 Crystal Canyon, 3 Wishing Star Waterfall, 4 the Hatchery Nursery, and that's the one we already opened and they already have in stores right now. I haven't seen any of the Cloud Cove or Crystal Canyon or Wishing Star Waterfall, but this one definitely we saw. And over here on our second piece, we have number 5 Moonlight Mountain, 6 Polar Paradise, 7 Snowflake Shire, and 8 Friendship Farm. So looks like Hatchimals will have all these cool hangouts. So there are play sets for our Hatchimal. I think that's what it means. I'm not too sure, but judging from the Hatchery Nursery that is already out, these might come out very soon. And I don't know what might be down here or here, so we still need 2 more. So I thought that was pretty cool. What color egg was this, Sophie?
It was like...
Oh my gosh, she got the special edition. Oh my goodness, right here. This is Crystal Tree. Oh my goodness, Sophie, you are so lucky. Our first special edition.
And the shell color looks like this.
So the shell color looks like this, and that is
Really
all of these Crystal Canyon Hatchimals. Okay, Alyssa will open hers now.
green one.
This is Alyssa's hummingbird.
Hummingbird.
Hummingbird and a bear. Very cute.
Look at same.
We got a silvery wing.
Ooh, what'd you get, Sophie?
Oh, you got...
Is it the ultra rare?
She did get an ultra rare. Let me see, Sophie. Oh no, I'm sorry. It's a rare. This is Sophie's Dragon Flip, and it's a rare. Very cute. So earlier we had a butterfly, so this one is a dragon.
Sophie, what color?
Dragonfly.
She opened a pink one.
You got little pink wings on here. Okay, one more. Alyssa's last one.
Ooh, it is a white egg.
White egg. Ooh, white egg, friends. Look, I think it might be Snowflake Shire. Special edition. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. This is Snowflake Beluga. Oh, it's so shiny. Look at the shine. This turquoise, shiny, shimmery. Very cute. I like the pink tail. Like it's blue and then it turns pink.
It has like little purple wings.
Oh, and purple wings.
I have one more nest.
This is so cute. Okay, that looks like it for our season 2. Oh my goodness, they're all so cute. I can't wait to collect some more. Hey Sophie, do you like your new Hatchimal?
Yeah.
Season 2 looks pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. We need to collect more. They're so cute.
They're so cute and the kids of them.
They're cute too. Alright friends, that's it for us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We will definitely collect more. So make sure you guys stay tuned for more Hatchimal Season 2 videos. Bye Sophie. Bye Lisa.
Bye.